area out to 20 nautical miles. Waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of V Tower to 33 nautical miles southeast of South Tower, moving northeast at 5 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include South Tower and V Tower. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.